Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnana Manjari Modern School. So in the previous videos Rachna ma'am have started the new chapter, that is lesson number 2, fractions. So in the previous video ma'am has taught you about the introduction of it. In that introduction there are how many types of fraction ma'am has taught you. First of all, what is fraction? A by B is known as fraction, A upon B, where A and B are natural numbers. See here, I am reading that the first definition ma'am has told you about that. A fraction is a number which can be written in the form of A upon B. The fraction means the number which is written in the form of A and B, and are both A and B are the natural numbers. A is a numerator and B is the denominator. Okay students, here are the some of the examples of fraction. I am writing here that how first of all fraction is written. Fraction is written in the form of A upon B, where A and B are natural number. And here are the some of the examples of fraction, that is 7 by 8, 5 by 7, 8 by 10. These are the some of the fractions. And here are the some of the types of fractions. Means first of all we will see the like fraction and unlike fraction. First of all, what is like fraction? Like fraction means the denominator has the same value. The fraction which has the fraction which denominator has the same value are known as the like fraction. Okay students, see here I am writing the examples 2 by 7, 5 by 7, 8 by 7. These are the like fractions which have the same denominator, that are known as like fraction than unlike fraction. What are unlike fractions? Students, the fractions which don't have the denominators same. Here the like fraction means which have the denominators same are known as like fraction. In unlike fraction, the denominators are not same, that are unlike fraction. For example, 1 by 5, 2 by 10, 7, 5 by 10. So these are the unlike fractions. Okay students, and next the next type of the fractions are proper fraction. Proper fraction means a proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Here are some of the examples. See here, what are proper fractions? Proper fractions. So proper fraction means numerator is smaller than denominator, means here the value of A is smaller than B. Okay students, A value is smaller and B value is A value is smaller and B is bigger or larger. Okay students, this is the proper fraction, and then it comes the improper fraction. So what is first of all improper fraction? Let us discuss that. Improper fraction. A improper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator. Here in the improper fraction, here the numerator is greater than denominator, means a value is big. Here which is small? Here a value, b value is smaller than a in improper fraction. In proper fraction a value is smaller than b. Okay students, and then it comes the mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? The fraction which is written in the form of, I am writing here 2 integer 1 by 2. See here how it can be written. See here, 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 5. This is 5 by 2. How this we have written here? I am telling you that if we divide 5 by 2, then 2 2 is 4 and here 1 remains. So this 2 will write here, this 2 downward and this 1 upward. So this is written as it. Okay students, so this, and next here I am discussing orally only. I have written this type only 6 types of the fraction, 5 types of the fraction only. Sixth, fraction in its simplest form. If a and b have no common factors other than 1, then the fraction a by b is said to be in the simplest or lowest form. For example, 3 by 5, its fraction is in its lowest form, means the factors have no common factors and it is less than 1. So this is known as fraction in the simplest form. Equivalent fraction. If c by d is equal to m into a and m into b, where m is an integer, then a and b are, and c and d are called equivalent fraction. Like 3 by 5, 6 by 10, 9 by 15 are all equivalent fractions because they can be expressed as multiples of 3 by 5 as follows. Okay students, here 3 by 5 I am writing here this equivalent fraction. So it can be written as see here 3 by 5. 3 by 5. If we multiply this by to any integer, I will multiply this by 2, then 3 by 5 into 2 and here into 2. So we get 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. If 6 by 10, then 6 into 2, 10 into 2. So what we get? 6 2s are 12 and 10 2s are 20. So these are the equivalent fractions. Okay students, these are the equivalent fractions. Next multiplications of the factor. In previous video ma'am has taught you, I am just going through the flashback of that. So here example 1, 2, 3, 4, that has been explained by the Rachna ma'am. Now I will start with the multiplication of mixed fraction. Okay students, multiplication of the mixed fraction. We will do that. See here, in multiplication of mixed fraction. So there are two methods of multiplication of mixed fraction. There are two methods of multiplication of mixed factor. We will see one by one. Okay students, so here first of all, first method is using box multiplication, and the second method is converting the mixed fraction into an improper fraction and then carrying out the multiplication. Okay students, first of all we will start with the example number 5. Here the example number 5, example 5, that is find 4 into 4 and half, 4 into 4 half. Okay students, so first of all we will solve this by method 1, box method. Method number 1, box, using box multiplication. So in that method what we have to do, let us see that. Okay students, see here in the box form how can we write 4 and half. Here I am writing 4 and here is half, that is 4 and half. Okay students, and here we made an box of 4 which is to be multiplied. See here I am doing that. First we are making this box. Here I am writing 4 and here it is half. Here which is to be multiplied, we have to multiply 4 only, so we will write 4. Okay students, here first of all 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are, that is 16, and 4 into 1 and half. What will be 4 into 1 and half? That is 2 2s are 4. So what will come here? That is 2. 4 into 1 and half is, here the 4 will come. I have write this with short method. I am explaining it again, that how can we multiply 4 into 1 by 2, that is 4 1s are 4 by 2, that is 2 2s are 4. Okay, so this 2 come here, that is 4 multiply 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Okay students, so what is the answer? That is 16 plus 2, that is 18. So if we multiply 4 into 4 and half, then the answer will be 18. So this we have solved using the method number 1, that is box multiplication method. Okay students, next method 2. Method 2. So in the method number 2, how it is to be multiplied? We have to convert this in, first of all, 4 by 4, 1 by 2 into improper fraction. So how it is be converted? 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 2. Okay students, this is converted into improper fraction. Why improper fraction? In the improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator, so it is improper fraction. If 9 is downward in denominator and 2 is in the upside, that is numerator, so it is proper fraction. But here the numerator is greater than denominator, so it is improper fraction. So we have converted this into the improper fraction. Okay students, so next what we have to do? 4 into 9 by 2. Okay students, now you can solve it by easily, that is 2 2s are 4. So what we get? That is 2 into 9, that is 9 2s are 18. So Here also we get 18, here also we get 18. This method is known as box multiplication, and this method is the second method in which first of all we convert this we convert this into the improper fraction and then we solve it. Okay students, if you want to write, please note down this. Okay, next example, example number 6. Example number 6 students. That also we will solve with this two method. Okay students. The example number 6, that is example number 6. The question is find 1 by 3 into 12 by 1 by 8. Okay students, so first of all method number 1. So students, first of all we will solve this with method number 1. Method number 1, that is box multiplication method. Okay students, so what we have to do in that? Here, how can we write 12 1 by 12 by 12 1 by 8? So this is 12 1 by 8. Okay students, so first of all what we have to do? We have to make a box, and here we have write 12 and 1 by 8. For what we have to multiply, that we have to write over here. Okay students, 1 by 3. Here first of all we have to multiply 12 by 1 by 3. What we will do? 12 into 1 by 3, that is 3 4s are 12. Okay students, so what will come here? That is 4, and then we have to multiply this. So how it will be multiplied? That is 1 by 3 into 1 by 8, that is what will come? First of all calculate by yourself students. That is 1 by 24. Okay students, 8 3s are 24. So here it will come 1 by 24. So now we will do plus, that is multiplication. 4 into 1 by 24 is equal to 4 by, students, 4 by 4 integer. We have to do this plus here, not multiplication students. I have made mistake over here. 4 plus 1 by 24 is equal to 4 1 to 4. Okay students, so this is the answer of the method number 1. Now we will see the method number 2. Method number 2. Method number 2, that we have to convert this first of all into the improper fraction. 12 8s are, anybody know students? 12 8s are, calculate by yourself first of all students. Twelve 8s are 96. 96 into 1, that is 97 by 8. Okay students, now what we have to multiply? We have to multiply 1 by 3 into 97 by 8. How it can be written? Okay students, so 8 3s are 24, so 97 by 24. Okay students, it can be also in come form of the mixed fraction. Okay students, if you divide 24 by 97, then you will get the answer, that is 1 by 24. Okay students, so this is the example number 6. This is the answer. Okay students, and here is also the answer. We have divided this 24 by 97. So we have get this answer. Okay students, please note down this students. And now we will go further to the example number 7. Example number 7. Okay students, the next example, example number 7. Here the example number 7 is, find one by 8 into 10 1 by 2. Okay students, first of all we will solve this with method number 1, that is box multiplication method. Okay students, so how we will do method number 1? Method 1. Okay students, so 10 1 by 2. Here what is to be multiplied? So 1 by 8. Okay students, so if we multiply 1 by 8 into 10, so what we will get? 4, 2 4s are and 2 5s are, that is 5 by 4. We get 5 by 4. Okay students, we will write here 5 by 4. Next, we will solve 1 by 8 into 1 by 2, that is 8 2s are 16, 1 by 16. Okay students, here 1 by 16. If we do plus over here, 5 by 4 into 1 by 16. Okay, sorry, plus, not multiplication students. Plus we have to do plus. So what will get the answer? Can anybody tell me students? We have to take the LCM. Okay students, so what will come here? If I multiply here 5 into 4, that is 20, and 4 into 4, that is 16. So we can easily get the LCM, that is, I will write here 20 plus 1 by 16, that is 21 by 16. This is the answer, and it can be also written in the form of mixed fraction, that is 5 by 16. Okay students, this is the method number 1. Now we will see the method number 2. Method 2. Okay students, method 2, by which first of all we will convert this into the improper fraction, that is 10 to the 20, 21 by 2. Okay students, then we will multiply 1 by 8 into 21 by 2, that is 21 by 16. This we get the same. So if we will make this into the mixed fraction, then we will get 1 5 by 16. This is the answer and this is the answer. Okay students. Now the example number 8, that we will see in our next lecture. Okay students, up till then write down your today's homework. So students, your today's homework is you have to write this example in your example book, and I am giving you some of the sums. Your today's homework is, students, student, please note down this. You have to do example 5, 6 and 7, and just try for the example number 8. Okay students, and I will also teach you that example in the next lecture, but you just try by your first of all, and then we will solve it in next lecture. And in exercise 2A, you have to do question number 1, full question number 1 in your fair book. Okay students, so this is your today's homework. Up till then, stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye students.